Hi, this is Sue with Sell Travel Better. I've had a question a couple of times about how to make an opt-in, a call to action, clickable, if you have one, up in your Facebook cover page. And so I wanted to show you how to do that. When you set up your cover page, this is my cover page for the Sell Travel Better private community. And if you are a travel advisor or you are a supplier of travel or a BDM, you are welcome to join this group. But at any rate, I have here go to subscribe page com Sell Travel Better to join my email list and to get notices of training that I have upcoming. So I want to make this clickable. And of course, when you set this up as a graphic, this little area isn't clickable, but the whole thing is clickable. The whole cover is clickable. Facebook makes it clickable. So what you want to do is you want to just click, and then it will open a comment box. And what you want to do is just put in a comment with the link that you want people to go to. So I'm going to do that again. I have already put in my link. So people click here. It takes them to this open box with a link, the same link that is here. Just put it here. And then when they click through, then they end up on my subscriber page for getting my resources and my free training and information about my paid training. So that's how you make that clickable. And let's see. So you just put it as a comment right here after you click on your cover page. So that's it. If you have questions about it, you can contact me at Sue at Sell Travel Better. If you have not subscribed, I suggest that you do so that you'll get notifications when I post new things to the group or to the Facebook page for Sell Travel Better, as well as when I go online to do training and webinars about selling travel better. This is Sue. Bye bye.